this is was my Oh, look at my hair, diba? Yun! So we're gonna exam some tomorrow, diba? What inside in here?
Price mo kay kanin. Price mo kay sa
Jinsan ni.
Yay! I'm a winner.
So this is what the Bobby said, guys. So unsa tong moon, it was alive. So this is was I was alive. So first here. So mamaya na. Ito na yung next. So mamaya na. I don't think so. So ito yung ito na yun. My skin at night. Mag-i-sleep tayo. Ingat tayo. Oh, hindi pala. Hala pa tayo. Bisaya na ko, no? Sorry. Hello mga kahanilets. So, hanilets. So, gusto mo ko itawag sa inyo, hanilets. Kasi ba't mo Bisaya? Kasi Tagalog. Pwede ba kayong tawagin kong hanilets? Kasi birthday kasi ni Papa. At Luna Hamida. Luna Hamida. Birthday ni Papa, naganda dahil no, hindi talaga. Kasi Tagalog tayo. No, Tagalog. So, English challenge tayo. 1, 2, 3. Pag English tayo, dapat naka-firm tayo ng English language. So what? Guess what? Your birthday. Say happy birthday in the comment section. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Paul. And have a like this or like this, or like that or like that, like that. Like this, like this. Like this. This yung ganawan. Happy birthday po. Ganun. Like ano. Parang ganun. Pwede ba sabi nyo, happy birthday po, and baba kayo at sabihin nyo na, congratulations, Tito, na kayo. Ganun, hindi ako. Ay, joke. So please, sabi nyo na, ganon yung sinasabi ko. Pero, meron akong card mo. Meron akong card. Babasahin ko yan mamaya. Next, ito na babasahin. From Alea to Papa Gigi. Happy birthday, Papa. I wish God will bless you and trust your problem and just trust. Wait. So this is from Alea to Papa Gigi. Papa Gigi. So nabalik ko. Happy birthday, Papa Gigi. Papa, I wish God will bless you and trust your problem and just trust the Lord and pray to God never be like bad person. I wish this good God bless you and mama or family. You just say it, but pray the Lord for blessing you and I will approve you. Thank you so much, Papa, for teaching me how to say sorry and get respect. March 9, 2026, in Monday. Always remember, prayer is blessing for you.
Isog man na.